Funnels are the created paths of the events which you add in the segmentation section. Here we help you measure the conversion rates of your bot's goals. For example, you can track the purchasing completion rates on the bot. Every funnel has its own events showing the completion rates on the graph. Tracking the conversion rate of the goals and improving them, it's important to focus when you are building a bot. Doing this will help you understand the struggling points of your users in every funnel. Hovering over the chart will show how many times the event appeared in the chosen period of time. Also here at the top you see the percentage of completion rate, so the final completion rate of your goal. So in order to build a new funnel, click on the green button Set a New Funnel. First we need to give it a name, so let's call it Test. And then below we choose the funnel steps. And the steps are predefined events which you add in the segmentation section. So after we choose the events and add the steps, we save the funnel. And we are all set. With Botanalytics you can build the funnel anytime after the integration and analyze how users are going through it. You don't need to think in advance about the funnels you may want to create. So just explore.